Hey, good morning, guys. I just want to show you something real quick. When you get a roofing order, it comes most of the time with this paper underlayment. Um, if these aren't factory and the store stands them up like this, you got to make sure that they don't plastic wrap it. I guarantee you're going to be very disappointed going down the road. These things will fall over. So what I had them do today, instead of laying them down and band them laying down, I used a pallet, had to band the pallet to one side, and then I had them put it against the headboard. So now I basically made myself a crate with my corner cap there and double strapped it. So, and I have it pushed up against the other pallet of roofing on the other side. So now I know going down the road, these aren't gonna fall over and I won't be stuck for a half an hour trying to get it back together. So if you get these, either lay them down and band them, or you got to come up with something like this just to make sure you're not dumping stuff off the truck on your transport. So just a quick reminder, guys, keep an eye out for these, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Take care.